In a significant move aimed at alleviating the financial burden on middle-class taxpayers, the government introduced a tax exemption for individuals earning up to Rs 12 lakh annually. This announcement, made by the finance minister, is part of a broader initiative to simplify the tax structure and promote economic growth by encouraging greater domestic consumption and savings. The exemption, however, comes with specific parameters. A common misconception is that if one earns Rs 15 lakh, they would only be taxed on the excess Rs 3 lakh. This is not the case. The exemption only applies to those who earn Rs 12 lakh or less. For those with higher earnings, a progressive slab system remains in effect, meaning income will be taxed proportionately based on their specified slab thresholds. Under the proposed tax slabs, the first tier up to Rs 4 lakh will remain tax-free, an increase from the previous Rs 3 lakh threshold. The next tier, which falls between Rs 4 lakh and Rs 8 lakh, incurs a tax rate of 5%. As income increases, so does the tax liability, with a rate of 10% applied to the income between Rs 8 lakh and Rs 12 lakh. This structured approach continues with rates escalating to 15% for earnings between Rs 12 lakh and Rs 16 lakh, 20% for Rs 16 lakh to Rs 20 lakh, and 25% for Rs 20 lakh to Rs 24 lakh. Beyond this point, a flat tax rate of 30% is imposed. This revised tax structure is characterized by its tiered approach, providing a clear understanding of how income tax will be applied. By designing these slabs, the government aims not just to simplify tax calculations, but also to ensure fairness in their application. Taxpayers can easily determine their tax responsibilities according to the income brackets, promoting transparency and compliance. Meanwhile, the exemption is expected to free up disposable income for the lower and middle classes, potentially increasing spending on consumer goods, thus spurring economic activity. As individuals begin to analyze their financial standings under this new structure, it is essential to consider how these changes align with personal financial planning and savings goals. Additionally, keeping informed about any further revisions or clarifications in the tax regime will be beneficial to maximize financial benefits. Understanding these layers of taxation is crucial to efficiently navigate through the financial landscape created by the government's revisions.